the hotel, and this is some room too. So it had 2 beds, one for me and one for my sister. And we haven't had dinner yet, so yeah, we're eating rice at 9 p.m. and just go outside to take some picture. And this, if you know, you know. If you're a fan of K-pop, oh my god, on a bus. And afterward, we just go to some like store nearby, and it was 10 o'clock. Bro, there's a whole ass section of sheep. Oreo last sheep. Really good. Yeah, that's good. But this is a boba chocolate. A boba chocolate. Oh, this is. Guys, I want to buy everything, but I'm broke as fuck. Also a 清江的 ice cream. It's really good. It tastes like expensive one.
Stop it. Get some help.
I don't miss my dog. Got some chestnut milk. I got black tea. And she got a cute Hello Kitty milk. Xinjing. So this is the picture. Oh my god. Hello, Pookie Pie. Hey Pookie.
Research nói, viết nói.
Đây là đang emo.
No. Oh my god, I could have.
Chưa ăn chưa?
Cái chutney của dừa riêng biết được cầu má và cắt sợi mà bánh tinh cái hơn.
搬了也好吃啊，做哪饭吃的有吗？
តិចឲ្យបងទៀតបង
God, oh my gosh. Sister, calm down, sister. Oh my god, guys. Oh my god. I cannot believe that you in front of me.